Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope most of you know how to use Vlookup formula to get the desired result. If you don't know, please check the description box where I have provided the link to the video which explains how to use Vlookup. So in today's video, we are going to understand why Vlookup doesn't work. I have listed out 5 major reasons why it doesn't work, which we will see today and try to rectify it. So why to wait? Let's jump into our sample dataset and see what are those 5 reasons. Here is our dataset, and in column G we have the Vlookup formula that's been used to get the desired result, but because of some problems we are not getting the result. So we are going to look at them one by one and try to understand and resolve them, right? The first reason is the extra space that you may find either in lookup value or in lookup array. So if there is an extra space, then your Vlookup doesn't work, meaning Vlookup works only when there is an exact match. Of course, it doesn't consider whether the data is in uppercase or lowercase, but if it is a space, then definitely yes, it gives an error like this. So if you clearly observe, you can see a space. So let us remove that space and see if the formula works. Boom, it is giving us the result. So if you are comfortable with the formula, then probably you can use trim formula to remove the extra space. Now the second reason why Vlookup doesn't work is the difference in formats. If the format of the lookup value and the format of the values or text that is available in your lookup array are different, then Vlookup gives you an error. So if you closely observe, this is in text format and this is in number format. Let us convert this to a number format. If you want to know how to convert a number from text to number format, I am attaching a link in the description box. You can go through that. Now I have converted it to a number format and we are getting the result. Now, if you see the phone number in F4 cell, it looks exactly same as what you see in C2 cell, but the reality is different. If you click on F4 cell, you would notice that there are 4 more digits after your decimal point. So I am just repeating it again. If the lookup value doesn't match exactly with any of the values in your lookup array, then Vlookup will give you an error. How can we resolve this? If you have very little amount of data, then probably you can go and delete one by one, which is there after this dot. If not, if you are familiar with the round function, you can use that as well. So for now, I am going to use round formula to convert this to a whole number. Here you go with the result. As soon as I converted it, Vlookup is giving me the result that I am expecting. Now the fourth reason is quite generic reason. However, this is one of the most common mistakes that people do, and this happens when you copy paste the formula. If I'm copy pasting this formula from G3 to G5, in cell G3 it is giving me the result, but in G5 it is not giving me the result. The reason being, when you copy paste the formula without freezing your lookup array, then this problem happens. For that, what you need to do is, whenever you are doing a copy paste of the Vlookup formula or any other formula to that matter of fact, you will have to freeze the lookup array. How do you freeze that? You can just click here in between and press F4. Now if I copy paste the formula works. It gives me the exact result that I am expecting. And the last reason is again a common problem that we find while working on huge Excel data. Now what we are trying to do here is, we are trying to get the state information for the person named Krishnan. So if you again observe the lookup array, there are 2 people with the same name Krishnan. So whenever you use Vlookup formula which has duplicates in your lookup array, then Vlookup always gives you the result which is related to the first instance in the lookup array. Now if you see, the first instance of Krishnan is in A6 cell and the state details for that person is Tamil Nadu. So if at all you want to have the details for Krishnan whose state is Rajasthan, then you cannot get it through Vlookup. You will have to use filter function to get all the details for this person named Krishnan. We are not going to look at filter function today. We'll look at it in some other video. Hope you enjoyed today's video and learned what are the common reasons why Vlookup doesn't work. If you like the content of the video, hit the like button, put your thoughts in the comment box, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, happy learning!